My name is UL Armstrong Jr. I am the owner of PuroClean of Boerne in Boerne, Texas, and I've been an owner now for about a year. My inspiration came from a conversation with a senior officer back in 1986 when I was a junior in high school, and he left an impression upon me that joining the military helped him achieve his personal and professional goals. He came from humble beginnings, and so did I, and so I took that as a way to accomplish some of my goals without putting an undue burden on my family. So I took that as something that I wanted to look into. When I was enlisted, it was Victor Bravo. It was a chemical specialist. When I got my commission as an officer, I stayed within that arena, but for an officer, it's a 74, which is a chemical, biological, nuclear officer. In the Army, I had various assignments. It just grew on me as something I loved to do. I loved the travel. It provided a great opportunity for me and my family eventually. So it's, 33 years later. Before I left the military, when I was transitioning, I was not unsure about what I wanted to do. I knew with surety that I was getting out of the military. I knew that if I developed a plan and followed it and did my homework, then everything would work out fine. In developing my plan prior to leaving the military, I developed a network contact list. And one of them was a franchise coach that helped me with that path on what I wanted to do. The other was the Soldier for Life transition point counselor that I had while I was at Fort Sam that helped me to the point where I knew I wanted to run an organization to accomplish a mission. The other organization, the Small Business Association, and that really kind of concluded my list at first. If I was to look at where my mindset was when I was trying to determine what I wanted to do, restoration was not there. Even though there are some common fits based on my career within the military, and again, I'm dealing with bio weapons and chemical weapons and things that really dirty, nasty. This was not within the lane and career that I wanted to choose. I could give you a list of other things that were there that I thought I would be, but PuroClean found its way and bubbled up at the top as a franchise that I definitely wanted to be all in on. What did it for me with PuroClean? Initially, I had to weigh franchising versus non-franchising. So franchising was the way to go if I was going to assume the risk because there was more structure. But within that, I had a set of other items that I had as a non-negotiable, things that I wanted to have. So in choosing PuroClean, I wanted to ensure there was leadership buy-in. And my experience in the military is if you got the buy-in from the leadership, you were set up for success. If you don't have it, chances are you really are maybe on your own or an island. So again, that was one of the things that was the top of my list. The leadership's involvement was crucial. The training was mega important, and I thought that PuroClean was above and by far in front of everyone with those two. Relationships with other PuroClean owners, that was the other thing that I thought was really neat about PuroClean. Didn't get it from any other franchises. It was something that I thought was really neat in that one of the things that PuroClean did was they had other franchise owners actually speak to personnel that were interested in franchising with PuroClean, and getting their insight, not on script, I thought was great. And so that led to potentially other relationships. And then once I made a decision, again, hey, I'm in, they were still there, offering that candid support that I thought might go away, but it was, hey, right there, rock steady. So that made me strongly consider PuroClean as the way for me to continue my service within our community. There were things that we could do within the community. One of them would be to provide a service to first responders and showing them, hey, we've got a service here we can help you with so that you can respond adequately.
And then this is a card.